What's up YouTube, Urban Grower here. This is going to be the pond we're going to be getting into for our koi series. Just be getting into finishing off the sides. We'll show you how that's done. We're going to do like a wooden bridge on the right side and a wooden overhanging step on the left side. And we're going to be getting into water clarity, fish diet, medication, treatment, wintering over ponds, all that good stuff. We're also going to be doing a giveaway. This is going to be the kohaku we're going to be giving away. He's a $1,000 fish, 22 inches long. This is going to be the butterfly we're going to be giving away in August this year. And all you have to do to make yourself eligible for the giveaway is comment kohaku, or if you want a kohaku, or butterfly if you want the butterfly, and the size of your pond in gallons, and then like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will cover the shipping expenses and everything for the giveaway in August. Like, comment, and subscribe. Out.